Can you all see the screen or textbook on the screen? Okay. Now, have you all written question one? Okay. What is the question? Yes. How many types of motions does the earth show? Name them. Now the answer is given to you in this box itself. हम लोग क्या लिख कर लिखेंगे? आपने क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी लिख लिया है. नीचे की लाइन में लिखो आंसर वन. उसमें नंबर वन रोटेशन डैश मूविंग ऑन इट्स एक्सिस. नंबर टू रिवॉल्यूशन डैश रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन. ब्रैकेट मत करना, डैश करके लिखना. ओके, दिस इज ओनली योर 5.1. Name the motions and explanation. Is it very clear, all of you? Yes or no? Okay. Start writing. Okay, now comes your question number 2. Write down the question. What is rotation? What is rotation? Put a question mark. What is rotation? Ready with the question? Okay, write down the answer. I'm not marking, I'm dictating. I'm speaking, you write. Okay? Answer 2. The movement of the earth, the movement, yes. What is rotation? That is the question. Answer is the movement of the earth. E will be capital. Earth on its own axis. ऐसे लिखोगे. On its own axis. On its own axis is called rotation. Is called rotation. Full stop. The earth completes, the T will be capital, earth E will be capital. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours, in 24 hours at a speed of at a speed check the spelling, speed of 1670 kilometers per hour. At a speed of 1670 kilometers per hour. Full stop. Complete. I am repeating the whole answer. The movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. Full stop. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours at a speed of 1670 kilometers per hour. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Okay. Ready for next question? Okay. Question 3. What is revolution? What is revolution? Put a question mark. Ready with the question? Okay, here is your answer. Start from here. The earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. This period is called year. It revolves around the sun at the speed of approximately 1780 kilometers per hour. Up to per hour. That is your answer number 3. Any doubts? Okay, start writing. Now comes your question number 4. Question 4. What does orbit of the earth, check the spelling, orbit of the earth mean? What does orbit of the earth mean? Question mark. Ready with the question? Okay, here is our answer. Start from here. The earth moves continuously on a fixed imaginary path called an orbit. This orbit of the earth is not round but elliptical, that is oval. Up to oval. This is your answer number 4. Any doubts? Okay, now question 5. Question number 5. Why does the distance the distance between the earth and the sun not remain same, not remain, check the spelling, not remain same throughout the year. Throughout the year. Put a question mark. I repeat. Why does the distance between the earth and the sun not remain same throughout the year? Question mark. Ready with the question? Ready with the question? Okay. Now, see this. This is the sun. This is the orbit. And what is the question? देखो अर्थ यहाँ आता है, फिर घूमते घूमते यहाँ पर आता है, फिर यहाँ पर आता है, यहाँ पर आता है. Yes or no? So you can see that the distance over here is more and the distance over here is less. Yes or no? है ना? So what is the question? कि Earth जब when it takes the whole rotation, why is the distance between the sun and the earth sometimes more, sometimes less, sometimes more, sometimes less? What is the reason? That is the question. Can you tell me the reason? Yes. Yes, because the orbit is in the oval shape. तो oval shape में क्या होता है? At these two places the distance is decreased. These two places the distance is increased. Right? तो क्या question है? Why does the distance between the earth and the sun not remain same? Because the shape of the orbit is elliptical or oval. Understood all of you? Okay, here comes your answer. Start from here. Orbit of the earth. अभी O कर देना capital. ठीक है? Because it is the starting of the sentence. Orbit of the earth is not round but elliptical, that is oval. This is the reason why the distance between the earth and the sun does not remain the same throughout the year. Up to throughout the year. This makes your answer number 5. Any doubts, anybody? अभी दिखेगी बेटा, कोई नेटवर्क स्लो हो गया होगा, अपने आप आएगी. Others, did you get the screen? Can you see the answer? Okay, start writing. Okay, now write down question number 6. What angle what angle does the earth make? Does the earth make with its axis, its its, with its axis and with its orbit, and with its orbit? Put a question mark. I repeat, what angle does the earth make with its axis and with its orbit? Question mark. Ready with the question? Okay. Now I will zoom the screen and then I will be able to mark the answer. Okay. Here comes your answer. Start from here. यहाँ से. The earth makes an angle of 23.5 degree to its axis and 66.5 degree to its orbit. Up to this. Okay, only one sentence. That makes your answer 6. Any doubts? Okay, now comes your question 7. Why do days and nights, why do days and nights become longer and shorter? Become longer and shorter. Why do days and nights become longer and shorter? Question mark. Ready with the question? Okay. The answer starts from here. The tilting of the earth on its axis causing the varying lengths of day and night and also changes in seasons. Because the earth is tilted, the days and nights are long and short. Okay? This is your answer 7. Any doubts? Now comes your question number 8. When do sun rays, when do sun rays fall vertical, FALL, fall vertical means straight. Very good. When do sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Cancer? On the Tropic T capital, Cancer C capital. When do sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Cancer? Put a question mark. Ready with the question? Okay, here is your answer. Start from here. यहाँ जगह भी नहीं है, रुको. यहाँ से. The rays of the sun fall vertically on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June. Up to 21st June. That is your answer 8. Only one sentence. Got it, all of you? Okay, start writing. Now others, write down question number 9. Question 9. When do sun rays, when do sun rays fall vertical on the, क्या होगा on the, yes, करेक्ट. देखो आपको तो क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं. वेरी गुड. चलो राइट डाउन. व्हेन डू सनराइज फॉल वर्टिकल ऑन द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न. ट्रॉपिक टी कैपिटल, कैप्रिकॉर्न सी कैपिटल. चेक द स्पेलिंग. When do sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Capricorn? Put a question mark. Answer. Sun rays fall vertical. Sun rays fall vertical on the Tropic of Capricorn. On the Tropic T capital, Capricorn C capital. On the Tropic of Capricorn. See, I have circled the answer. On 22nd December, D capital. On 22nd December. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Okay. Now question number 10. Yes. Bolo. Okay, write down question number 10. On which days, on which days do sun rays, do sun rays fall vertical, fall vertical on the equator, on the equator. On which days do sun rays fall vertical on the equator? Question mark. Answer. Sun rays fall vertical. Sun rays fall vertical on the equator, on the equator, on 21st March, M capital, 21st March and 21st September, again S capital, and 21st September. Sun rays fall vertical on the equator on 21st March and 21st September. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Okay, now write down question number 11. Why do the North Pole, North N capital, Pole P capital. Why do the North Pole and the South Pole, South S capital, Pole P capital, and the South Pole come in front of the sun, come in front of the sun alternately. Alternately. Why do the North Pole and the South Pole come in front of the sun alternately? Put a question mark. Return the question. Okay. Now, first of all, I will explain the question to you. Suppose if this is the sun, okay? अब अर्थ जब यहाँ पर होता है, now we know that earth is slanting, है ना? इक्वेटर ऐसे नहीं होता, इक्वेटर ऐसे होता है, पता है ना आपको? Yes or no? Okay. The earth is in this position, the north pole is facing the sun, south pole is away from the sun. Then घूमते घूमते जब अर्थ इस तरफ आएगा तो साउथ पोल विल बी हियर, नॉर्थ पोल विल बी हियर. So you can see that the north pole and south pole comes in front of the sun alternately, मतलब one by one. इस साइड नॉर्थ पोल इज फेसिंग द सन, यहाँ पर साउथ पोल इज फेसिंग द सन. तो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन दैट व्हाई डू बोथ द पोल्स कम वन बाय वन? दोनों साथ में क्यों नहीं आते? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. समझ में आ रहा है ऑल ऑफ यू? कैन यू गेस द आंसर? Yes, the same answer again because the earth is tilted. So one time the south pole comes in front of the sun, other time the north pole comes in front of the sun. Am I very clear? Okay. Now answer we will be writing in the next lecture.